What the heck is this doohickey? Well, this is a neat little tool I picked up at the local Amazon return store, and it's got several different functions that I want to run through. Over here we have a DC power supply, which goes from 1.25 to 15 volts. Over here we have a buzzer speaker. When it gets voltage, it makes a noise. And over here we have signal output and logic pen. And I don't know what those two do, but maybe if I opened my eyes and read the Chinese manual, I would be able to tell. But anyways, I built it off of the schematic. It wasn't too hard. Oh, and also photos that were included into the manual. But it is entirely in Chinese, so be warned there. I don't know what this product is. It is, I don't know, whatever it seems to be in the manual. It didn't come in a box. It was just kind of sitting there in a bag with all the parts. And it seems to work pretty well. I'll plug it in. And you can bring your voltage up and down. With the knob on the front, there's no power switch. It is just plug and play. Comes with these alligator clips, and let's try it out. You can use it to eliminate AA batteries, like in the case of this 1958 Philco radio. And you can use the buzzer feature as a very rudimentary capacitor wizard to test ESR. You just simply connect red to positive and touch the other side to the buzzer. And if it sounds like normal, that's a good capacitor. If it sounds a little muffled or quiet, that's a marginal to bad capacitor. See how much louder that is? And if it's really bad, you can't hardly hear it at all. And as shown, it can power something as small as a little battery-operated radio, or something as big as this Yamaha keyboard. And if you bring it down to 6 volts, as shown, you can get a really cool distortion effect for your keyboard. And for unlimited fun, you can connect it to an analog voltmeter. Just look at that 85-year-old Westinghouse gauge bounce. And yes, the voltmeter is accurate, Wyatt. I did notice that it got a little hot, so I drilled holes in it. Not perfect, but hey, it works. And in the end, yes, I think that getting a variable DC power supply is a good idea for any workshop around here, because I've already had hours of fun with this one. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I just thought I should share something that I thought was cool. Anyways, see ya.